Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to set a Spotify song as alarm. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, you have to make sure that you have installed your Spotify and log into your account. And you have also installed Google Clock application. This one is free from Play Store. You can go to Play Store and then search for Google Clock install. Once done, you can now open this application. Now here you have to tap the alarm tab or tap the plus icon to create a new alarm or select an existing one. Now you can set the time. You can choose the time you want your alarm to go off. Once done, you will see a bell icon, and once you tap that bell icon, you will see two options, sounds like YouTube Music or Spotify. And all you have to do is click or tap the Spotify tab. Now you can scroll or search to find a song, playlist, or podcast. Tap on the one you want. It will be set as your start or your alarm sound. Your alarm will now play your selected Spotify audio. So again, you need to have an active internet connection, works with free or premium Spotify accounts, may not work on some custom Androids, but you can look for other tools and options for that. And that's how easy it is to set a Spotify song as alarm clock. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.